already, so I wanted to come by really quickly and show you this hairstyle. You can do whatever you want to the back. You can wear it in a puff, you can wear it in a ponytail, you can put it up in a bun. It's completely up to you. The main part of this hairstyle is the front. I think it's really cute, and if you're interested in learning how to do it, definitely stay tuned. So I'm starting this hairstyle off on freshly washed hair. Using a rat tail comb, I'm going to make a U-shaped section in the front part of my head. I want the back part of my hair to be nice and smooth, so I'm using Eco Styler gel to slick my hair down. Once I've done that, I pull my hair into a bun, tie a scarf on my head, and let the gel set for 20 minutes.
Yeah, no, no, yeah, no, no,
Now onto the front. Use a rat tail comb to divide the front section in half. Once that's done, clip away one of the sections. Now use a rat tail comb to make a box in the front of your head. After that, clip away the extra hair. Use a gel or edge control to smooth out the hair. Brush it through your hair, then use a rubber band to secure that section. At this point, split the hair in half and begin to two-strand twist your hair. When you're finished with that section, just repeat the process 7 more times. When you're done, you should have 4 boxes on one side and 4 boxes on the other side, for a total of 8 boxes. So this is what your hair should look like at this point. Now take the first twist, wrap it around the second twist, and secure it with a rubber band. Now take that section and wrap it around the third twist and secure that with the rubber band. Now take that section and wrap it around the fourth twist and secure it with the rubber band.
yeah, no, no, no.
And when you're finished with that section, do the same thing for the other side.
No, no, yeah, no, no, no.
Now that both sides are complete, crisscross each piece in the back, wrap it around your bun, and secure it in place with a hair tie or bobby pins. So I braided up some hair that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to use this to mimic a shoelace. Take one side of the braid and put it under the hair and pull it through. Then take the other end and put it under the hair on the other side and pull it through. Each side should be even. Now take one braid, cross it over to the other side, and put the braid under the twist and pull it through. Repeat the same step using the other side of the braid. Keep in mind that you're using this braid as a shoelace. So you're lacing up your hair the same way that you would your sneakers or your boots.
No, 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 hey, no, 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 hey, no, 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 hey, hey,
When you're done, just wrap the ends of the braid around your bun and secure it in place with bobby pins. Right now I'm taking a drawstring ponytail that I got from the beauty supply store and attaching it to my bun. The ponytail has two combs, so one comb goes in the front and the other one goes in the back of the bun. I pull the drawstring to tighten it, wrap the string around the ponytail, and tuck it under and secure it with a pin. Now I'm taking some hair from the back, wrapping it around the ponytail and securing it with a pin.
yeah, no, no.
After that, you can use some gel to smooth down your baby hairs. This part is completely optional, but that's about it. A cute style you can rock anywhere. And here's another option if you don't want to wear a long ponytail. Make a loose braid.
Hey, hey,
Secure the end with a rubber band and wrap the braid around the base of the ponytail. Then secure it with bobby pins. It gives it a more classy look. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you decide to recreate this hairstyle, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more frequent updates. And if you want to see more videos from me, click the link below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
hey, no, no.